Dreading tax season as an Uber driver, we are going to show you how to confidently file your Uber income using Wealthsimple. First, log into your Wealthsimple Tax account or create one if you haven't already. It's free and easy to use. Navigate to the income section. Here, find and select self-employment income. This is where you'll report all your Uber earnings. Now fill out the T to 5 form. Enter your business name, which can simply be your own name, and your address. The most important thing is to input your gross Uber income. This number can be found on your Uber annual tax summary, which you can download from the Uber driver app or website. Next, and this is where you can save a ton of money. Let's move on to expenses. This is where you can deduct eligible business expenses to lower your taxable income. Common deductions for Uber drivers include vehicle expenses like gas, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation, but only the portion used for Uber driving. Make sure you keep detailed records of all expenses. Receipts are crucial. Input each expense under the correct category. Wealthsimple will automatically calculate your claim. Don't forget about other potential deductions like cell phone use, home office expenses if you use a dedicated space for managing your Uber business, and even a portion of your phone bill. Once you've entered all income and expenses, review the net income amount. This is your Uber income after deductions and the amount you'll be taxed on. Finally, double-check all information and click File Now. Wealthsimple will securely submit your return to the CRE. Filing your Uber taxes doesn't have to be scary. With Wealthsimple and a little organization, you can do it with confidence. Be sure to subscribe for more tax tips. And good luck this tax season.